China's naval modernization has entered a striking new phase as the country deploys its first Type 076 amphibious assault ship, Sichuan, into the strategically sensitive waters of the South China Sea for sea trials, signaling not only a leap in military capability but also a broader shift in Beijing's maritime ambitions. The launch and subsequent testing of the Sichuan represent years of rapid technological development, industrial expansion, and doctrinal evolution within the People's Liberation Army Navy plan, reflecting China's determination to transform itself into a dominant maritime power capable of projecting force far beyond its shores. As the massive vessel cut through the waters on its maiden operational evaluation, analysts, military observers, and regional governments alike watched closely, recognizing that this was more than just another ship entering service. It was a symbol of changing power dynamics in one of the world's most contested regions. The Type 076 class is widely regarded as China's most advanced amphibious assault platform to date, designed to bridge the gap between traditional landing ships and full-scale aircraft carriers. Unlike its predecessors, the Type 075 amphibious assault ships, the Type 076 is expected to incorporate cutting-edge features that dramatically enhance its versatility and combat effectiveness. Central to this evolution is the integration of electromagnetic launch systems, enabling the ship to deploy a new generation of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, fixed-wing drones, and potentially even short takeoff aircraft. This capability positions the Sichuan as a hybrid platform, blending the roles of an amphibious assault ship with those of a light aircraft carrier, thereby expanding the operational toolkit available to Chinese naval commanders. The South China Sea, where the Sichuan is currently undergoing trials, provides a fitting and highly symbolic testing ground. This vast maritime region, rich in resources and crisscrossed by vital shipping lanes, has long been a focal point of geopolitical tension. Multiple nations, including Vietnam, the Philippines, Malaysia, and Brunei, have overlapping territorial claims in the area, while external powers continue to assert their presence through freedom of navigation operations. By choosing this environment for the ship's initial trials, China is sending a clear message about its intent to operate advanced naval assets in contested waters, reinforcing its claims and demonstrating its growing ability to sustain complex operations in real-world conditions. The Sichuan itself is a testament to China's shipbuilding prowess, which has expanded at an extraordinary pace over the past 2 decades. Constructed at one of the country's state-of-the-art shipyards, the vessel reflects a level of industrial efficiency and technical sophistication that rivals, and in some cases surpasses, that of traditional naval powers. With a displacement estimated to exceed 40,000 tons, the ship boasts a spacious flight deck, a well deck for amphibious craft, and extensive command and control facilities, enabling it to serve as the centerpiece of expeditionary task forces. Its design emphasizes modularity and adaptability, allowing it to support a wide range of missions, from humanitarian assistance and disaster relief to high-intensity combat operations. One of the most notable aspects of the Type 076 program is its focus on unmanned systems, which are increasingly seen as the future of naval warfare. The ability to launch and recover drones from the Sichuan provides a significant advantage in terms of reconnaissance, surveillance, and strike capabilities. These systems can operate at extended ranges, gather real-time intelligence, and carry out precision attacks without exposing human pilots to risk. This aligns with broader trends in military technology, where autonomy and networked operations are reshaping the battlefield. For China, the integration of such capabilities into a major surface combatant underscores its commitment to staying at the forefront of these developments. The deployment of the Sichuan also highlights the evolving doctrine of the plan, which has shifted from a primarily coastal defense force to a blue water navy with global aspirations. This transformation has been driven by a combination of economic interests, security concerns, and national prestige. As China's overseas investments and trade networks have expanded, so too has the need to protect them. Amphibious assault ships like the Type 076 play a crucial role in this strategy, providing the ability to project power ashore, secure key locations, and respond rapidly to crises. Whether in the South China Sea, the Indian Ocean, or beyond, these vessels enable China to operate with greater flexibility and reach. During its sea trials, the Sichuan is expected to undergo a comprehensive series of tests to evaluate its performance across a wide range of conditions. These trials typically include assessments of propulsion systems, navigation, communications, and combat systems, as well as flight operations and amphibious capabilities. Engineers and naval personnel will closely monitor every aspect of the ship's performance, identifying any issues that need to be addressed before it enters full operational service. This process can take months, if not years, depending on the complexity of the vessel and the scope of the testing program. However, given China's track record of rapidly bringing new platforms online, it is likely that the Sichuan will achieve operational status relatively quickly. The presence of the Sichuan in the South China Sea has not gone unnoticed by regional actors, many of whom view China's growing naval capabilities with a mix of concern and caution. For countries with competing territorial claims, the introduction of such a powerful platform raises questions about the balance of power and the potential for escalation. At the same time, external powers with interests in maintaining freedom of navigation and regional stability are closely monitoring the situation, assessing how the deployment of advanced Chinese warships might influence their own strategies and operations. From a strategic perspective, the Type 076 represents a significant enhancement of China's ability to conduct amphibious operations, which have long been considered a key component of its military planning. While much attention has been focused on the potential for operations involving Taiwan, the capabilities offered by the Sichuan extend far beyond any single scenario.